It sucks. Cleaning off this red whatever it is on this thing. Get her done, boys. No. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. I'm cleaning off that metal so I can fit my wire stuff down and my expanded metal and weld it to it. Gotta clean off all that, whatever the hell it is. I'm gonna go get me a dust mask. Alright, got her. Got her freaking sanded. I guess it don't really matter which way I go with it. It's gonna be hard putting them bolts in. Oh yeah, that'd be good. I think we can make that work. Don't you think we can make that work there, boss home? This one is a little bit rusty, but it's going to be behind a 2x8 anyway. If I leave it that long, I may cut it off. Works for me. Got a good spot to weld here. I don't know. Let's go see what the other side looks like. It looks pretty good right there. I'll weld a few out here and a few over there and get her tacked. Tack her down, boys. I guess that'll be all right. Yeah, that's on the deal too. We can make that work. We'll have to trim it off when we get done welding it. Right. I think for this half, we'll just hook it to here, down here, where it's a little closer. And that half, I'll hook it on that piece of metal. Let me pit these four corners, see if I can get it to stick. Oh, it ain't plugged in. Oh yeah, it is. I don't know what the deal there was. Okay, it is what it is. Oh, I don't like that. I do, boys, what I do. There. We'll make that work. Oh, I need a helmet. About blinded myself. Where is my damn helmet? I'm gonna see if my stick welder worked better. I'm not really impressed with that thing. I'm gonna leave that running for a little bit. I'm gonna turn this stick welder on and see if it welds better on that than that. I don't like that piece of crap. I'd say it needs to be about 80. That's about right. It's on about 80 actually. That looks good, fellas. Oh. I'll make it right there. That's pretty good. We'll see if this stick welder do any better. Right? Oh, I broke my damn chalk. All the hell. Splintered it. That's a way better weld. it down. That's a thinner piece of metal. If I can get that or not, it's pretty high. Down too low. That's gonna do it for this video, guys. Maybe next time you'll see me paint this sucker. Like and subscribe, and talk to y'all in the next one.